I'm Monday Michiru, and I run the Storyteller's Workshop, a series of classes that teaches how to write lyrics over music and to help people unlock their stories. So, what are lyrics? Lyrics are obviously words that fit over music, which singers use to convey and communicate a feeling, a thought, a philosophy, a story. And as a lyricist, you are the storyteller. And as the writer, you are your first audience. So what is your story? What are your thoughts? Who are you singing to? What do you want the listener to feel and to take away from your lyrics? Fun, nostalgia, sadness, anger, philosophy, love, social commentary. And these are but some of the thoughts that you want to go into your music and over your lyrics. But beyond the expression communicated behind the words, these words need to fit over the melody and to marry into not just the melody, but the harmony, the rhythm, and the overall song. That's what makes the music, and that's what makes people want to listen to your lyrics. So, everyone has a story. Create lyrics that are as unique as you.
Alone.